Hello, I'm Tina from Swallow Mosaics, and today I'm going to talk to you about cutting glass tiles. Now there are a variety of tools available on the market. I'm going to concentrate on the most widely available, which is nippers that look like these. They're called wheeled nippers. Now this particular sort is the cheapest and they're actually pretty good, and certainly when you're beginning out, this is the sort of thing that you want to look for. You might have seen other people with a slightly different brand. Now this is by a company called Liponit. They are really good. They are a bit more of a sort of either serious hobbyist or a professional level, because they are a fair bit more expensive. But you know, with everything you get what you pay for, so they are really nice. I'm not sponsored by anybody with this. I'm simply telling you what I have discovered with a variety of different brands, different materials and tools. The next sort that I've got is this. Now this is actually quite a revolutionary style of nipper. You can see it's quite a different shape. If I bring up the first pair, you can see these are straight up and down effectively, and these go around a corner. These ones are quite expensive, and really you wouldn't be looking to get a pair of these either unless you're really a professional, you do an awful lot of hobby work, or you're rich. I was given these. I was really lucky, but they are expensive, but they are a life changer if you have wrist problems and things like that. So that is definitely worth it. If you're interested in these, drop me a line and I will give you the information for them. The other sort that I've got, which I rarely use for glass tiles unless they're very thick, is this sort. And that you can see in comparison to the first sort, if I put them right next to each other, you can see the different size wheels. And this pair are actually really slightly tipped. If I put them to the side, can you see how the first pair I show you is just straight? This pair, they are slightly bent at an angle, and the whole thing gives you a bit more power when it comes to cutting hard material. Generally I use these, as I said, just for very thick glass tiles, or actually for ceramics as well. Okay, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, please do drop me a line in the comments below, or you can send me an email, find my details on my page. Bye!